have fun, okay? We don't have to do this every time we get back together.
Tell him to shut the fuck up, so Brian. Grow up, Ray.
Ay.
You guys want me to turn this car around? We can go right back home. You want me to pull over?
Sorry, Dad.
What?
What are you looking at? Why you looking at me, Dennis? What'd I do? Why are you guys laughing? Cut it out. You know, that's it, man. Pull over. Let me out. I'm done. Pull over, man. You're fucking idiots, okay? You guys suck. Cut it out.
You fucking idiot.
Grace Marie. Hello?
Man, Pat, your wit's bad. I guess some things never change, huh, bud? Yes, sir. It's gonna be one hot weekend. Drinking, strip clubs, hookers.
No, it's not. It's nothing like that, I promise. Ray's just being ready. No, there's no strip clubs, no girls. We're just gonna go, have a good time. Yes. No. Promise. I love you. No. I love you more. Babe. I love you. Man, Dennis, when you said this was in the boonies, you were not kidding. Mommy.
Yeah, when are we gonna get there, Dennis? The scenery's nice and all, but we haven't seen a sign of life in like an hour and a half.
Whoa, hey guys. Now, that's a sign of life.
Hey, pull over, man.
Easy, sicko. I thought you said you didn't want to go back to prison.
Hey, screw you, Phil. I just want to see if they need help, okay?
You're looking like a country girl. You look legal, Ray.
Yes, they do. Here we go.
Ray, be good, please.
Hey! Hey, you ladies all right? Stop the fucking car, Dennis.
Thanks for asking. We were just heading up to Crow's Creek. It's right up there. Where were y'all? We could have used you.
Hey, if you guys need a ride, it's no problem.
It's right up there on that road. We'll be okay. Besides, your car was kind of full anyway. It sure is a hot one. Would you like to go for a swim?
I would like very much. So, how old are you guys anyway?
Old enough to swim by ourselves.
I just want to apologize about my friends. Would you ladies by chance know where the Colburn General Store is located? We've been driving for quite a while and I'm just afraid we might have passed it.
It's up there, on the bend on the raft. You know, if you change your mind, Crow's Creek, the water's nice and cool. Maybe we'll, see you later.
Maybe. I want to go swimming with these ladies. Don't get swimming with some old bay. I'll teach you the breaststroke. It's a favorite of mine. Marry me. Did you go around the shit wagon already, Dennis?
No, Dennis, stop. We'll get there when we get there.
They're going slow, man.
I know, they're